halfway done with my hair. I just blow dried half of my hair. This is what it looks like so far. And there are a few tips that I want to share with you all. Make sure that when you blow dry your hair, you blow dry it on high, but you also want to make sure that you don't apply it directly to your scalp because it can be very hot. Also, you want to cool it down and just kind of go over your hair after you blow dry it on high heat. I would recommend using high heat just because if you want your hair to be straightened, then you want to make sure that you do it on high heat so that your hair can be all the way blowed out the way it's supposed to be. Now, it's not flat ironed. It's not a flat iron. It's a blow dryer, but it will get the job done. So what I like about this particular blow dryer is that the comb is not too close to the blow dryer. So you have like the comb out here and you have the blow dryer here. And so when you blow dry your hair, it's not like direct heat on your hair, even though you are still applying heat to your hair. Just want to make sure that if you are transitioning, you don't want to apply so much heat to your hair because you're going through a transition and you're trying to grow your hair out. This is for those of you who have already transitioned, you're looking for a new hairstyle to rock. If you want to apply a little heat to your hair, a blow dryer is recommended with a detangling comb. Now, normally I tell people not to detangle. I tell people not to comb their hair, but that's if your hair is kinky and curly. But if it's already straight, like if you straighten it out, then it's okay to use a comb because the comb won't take out so much of your hair. However, if your hair is very nappy and very curly, very kinky coily, like my hair is naturally like that, then I would recommend finger detangling your hair. But since my hair is straight at the back, I can go ahead and comb my hair with a regular comb. I usually use a wide tooth comb to just comb through my hair. All right, so this is the blowout style, and I'm actually gonna do something in the front. I'm gonna put like 2 little twists in the front, just kind of bring it to the side, or actually bring it to the back. I'll show you all that at the end of the video, but this is what my blowout style looks like. It came out great. I'm excited about the turnout. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. One important thing that I have forgot to mention earlier is you want to make sure that you clip your ends before you blow dry your hair, because you don't want to have unnecessary hair shedding, especially when your hair is overdue for your ends to be clipped. So just make sure that you clip your ends before you blow dry your hair so that you won't pull out more hair than necessary, because your hair naturally sheds. I would say, like, for my hair sheds every 4 to 8 weeks. Usually around the 8th week mark, it's time for me to clip my ends again. I try not to clip my ends every month. I try to wait at least 2 to 3 months before clipping my ends, and I make sure that when I clip my ends that I don't clip out so much, that I just clip only the necessary split ends. Okay. You don't want to end up cutting your hair accidentally, which, I mean, there's no perfect way to clip your ends. You just want to make sure that you go each section. So just take one small strand in each section at a time and go all the way down and just clip the split ends. Okay. I should have a tutorial on that. If I don't already, I will definitely update a tutorial for you all so that you will know how to clip your ends. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm excited, and now I'm about to show you the last step in what I do to have my little style. Now normally when I blow dry my hair, I usually leave my hair in the back and I brush my hair up into a bun. So I usually like rock like a bun and then just rock the rest of my hair down. But I have already had a bun style. I've had like a bun at the top with the twist out at the bottom. So I want to do something a little different. Now, I would not recommend blow drying your hair if you're trying to stay away from heat, or if you're just trying to abstain from heat for a period of time. I would just go ahead and just find another natural hairstyle to wear. But if you are looking for a hairstyle that you can rock, that you don't necessarily have to use a flat iron, but you still want that fluffy, straight style, this is a great style to rock on your hair, okay? So, last step before I end this video.